Wake up and live.
This morning, leadership coach, motivational speaker, team building specialist, and founder of Hlomani Leadership Awakening, Simphiwe Ngidi, helps us to wake up and live by finishing the year strong. Simphiwe, blissful morning.
Morning, Nogu. How are you doing?
Strengthened by grace. How are you?
I'm well by God's grace too.
Hey, last quarter of the year, last stretch.
Yes.
A lot of people are saying 2025 has been, well, everyone has their own opinion, but others good, others not so good. But let's see, how do we finish this year off strong?
Well, Nogu, today I just want to encourage someone. I want to motivate someone and tell them that the year is not over. You still have time. It's still your year of yes to your dreams. You still have time to rise and claim your seat at the table. The year is not over. You still have time to rise and claim your victory. The year is not over. You still have time to finish strong. Well, Nogu, many of us this year started the year on fire, right? We're full of dreams. We had done our vision boards for the year. We had set goals. We had set deadlines. By the end of March, I want to start this. By the end of June, I want to be finished with that. By the end of September, I would have invested so much. We even had declarations in the beginning of the year. It's my year. It's my time. It's my turn. It's my season. It's my year of yes. But somewhere along the way, as the year progressed, life happened. Fire went out. The passion went out. The energy went out. Delays happened. Some doors have closed. But let me tell you something. You still have time. The year is not over. You still have time to refocus and to finish strong. Well, let me share 3 important keys that will help you finish strong. Number 1 is this. You need to refocus on your vision. Revisit what you wanted to accomplish. Revisit what you wanted to achieve this year. Revisit what you wanted to win this year. Don't abandon your goals. Don't walk out of your relationship goals. Don't walk out of your financial goals. Don't walk out of your health goals. As a leader, don't give up on your team. Refocus your vision. Revisit the vision. When the vision becomes clear again, your passion comes back. Vision is unclear. It leads to broken focus. A clear vision gives fresh energy. So let me say this again. The year is not over. You still have time to finish strong. The year is not over. You still have time to start and finish your goals. The year is not over. You still have time to work on your leadership skills. Point number 2 is, in order for us to finish strong, we need to renew our commitment. Commitment separates those who get things done and those who wish to get things done. You need to renew your commitment to your goals and say to yourself, I would start and finish. Finish what you started, even if it's small. Complete that project. Don't postpone it. You don't need to finish everything this year, but just finish something this year. Send the proposal. You still have time. Call that person. It's still your year of yes. Start that health diet. Start growing in your leadership. You can still do it. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Just start. Don't close the year with excuses. Let's close the year with excellence. Let's not close the year with excuses of why we couldn't do it and why we couldn't commit. Let's close the year in victory. Cut off distractions. Commit to your goals. Stop going to places that won't help you go and finish strong. Stop visiting people that won't help you grow and finish strong. Don't let frustration steal your joy. It's only a couple of months left. Don't let your friends steal your joy. It's only a couple of months left. Don't let your colleagues steal your joy. It's only a couple of months left. Renew your commitment. Focus on what needs to be done, even if it's small. And this is going to lead me to my last point is refuse to quit. Don't give up on your goals. Don't walk out of your dreams. Don't throw in the towel. Don't give up. Don't give in. Whatever you do, just don't quit. Even if the year has been tough, don't give up now. Even if you feel exhausted, but you're not done yet. Even if you feel drained out and worn out, you are not done. It may be hard. It may be tough, it may be difficult, it may be challenging, but you are not done. You are still standing. You might have lost a few things. You might have lost this. You might have lost a family member. You might have lost a house. You might have lost this and that. But let me tell you, the year is not over and you haven't lost your mind. The year is not over and you haven't lost your life. God still has a plan, and your story will not end in excuses. It will end in success. God still has a plan for your life. Your story will not end in defeat. It will end in victory. And the lesson is, Naku, and here's the lesson. The lesson is, as a leader in your family, when you finish strong, your children will learn perseverance. As a leader in your workplace, when you finish strong, your team will learn consistency. As a leader in your community, when you finish strong, faith in your community will grow stronger. In closing, I want to say this. True leaders are never remembered for how they started, but by how they finished. Leaders are never measured by how they started the journey, but how they finished it. Today, choose to finish strong. I want to challenge everyone who's listening, even myself. I want to challenge everyone this morning. Go back to your vision. Go back to your goals. Put them right in front of you and say to yourself, I will not give up. The year is not over. I will not slow down. I still have time. I will finish strong, and it's still my year of yes. So go for your goals. Go for that vision. Go for your dreams. God is on your side. Finish strong. It's still your year of yes to your dreams, yes to your goals, yes to your desires.
Finish strong. Go back. Dust yourself off. Refocus on the vision. Recommit to the vision. And refuse to quit.